Three cheers for Vantage. Hip hip.
Walking back through the gates felt like I was walking back home, and Vantage has always been a place that always noticed and enhanced my caliber even before I realized what I was capable of. And now that I've come back here, I have the strength again to face the world for the next 5-6 years until we get the chance to come back again.
Vantage has been my home for as long as I can remember. I was merely 9-10 years old when I joined, and by the time I graduated, I was 18-19 years old. This was my permanent address for a very, very long time. And whatever I was yesterday, whatever I am today, and whatever I become tomorrow, it's all because of Vantage. Any girl who's had the opportunity to walk these roads, to sit in the classrooms, to be taught by the teachers, they are meant to turn out to be very grounded, humble individuals. So if you come across Vantage, do not think twice, choose Vantage.
Hello, my name is Advika and I'm from the batch of 2022 to 23, and I also served as the Griffin House captain for that year. And one of my favorite memories is the children's day trek when I was in 12th grade. It was just so much fun with all the teachers and all the students. It made me feel so loved, cared for, and just so much fun to be with everyone around. And I'm really grateful for all those memories, and I think about them in college as well. And I'm just so grateful to have such precious connections that make it worth flying down for. Thank you so much, Vantage.
Coming back to Vantage is almost like returning back to time, and it's like a time machine, like we never left. And all these feelings and all these emotions that come back with it, it's almost the same place. And we feel really glad that we came, and I still feel that I'm still 16 or 15.
Feels like we never left.
Although it feels I feel a little older because all the years have grown up so much. But everything else is the same.
Yeah,
All the teachers and everything.
Buildings are same. I really love the mess.
our friends. I'm from 2019 batch and it's 6 years after I'm coming back home. It has been a pleasure to be back home, and thank you to all the teachers, DDs, and all our juniors who made us feel like we are back home. And the most memorable 2 days we had here. I am just so blessed to have you all here. Thank you so much, Vantage.
I feel it's one of the best decisions I made to come out here 6 hours away from home to another home, learn so much, different qualities, just learn what discipline is, how to manage things, how to push through, how what punctuality is, because where we are in lives, these things are very important. So thanks to Vantage, thanks for giving us all these important knowledge classes.
Coming back to Vantage Hall has always given me a feeling that I'm coming back to my second home. And now as my younger sister has been started studying here, I feel that I have given her the motivation and the confidence from what I received from Vantage Hall.
Walking around here brings so many memories back. It's just overwhelming coming back here at my home, second home. And what I am today is what Vantage helped me, shaped me, and I would love to come back again. Thank you.
Hello everyone, thank you sir for hosting us, and ma'am. It was good to be back at our second home, and thank you for everything school has done for me till today, because whatever I do, it's because of school. Vantage has shaped me. Thank you so much.
I graduated from the school 8 months ago, and coming back feels like I never left. All the memories just came rushing back by meeting my friends, meeting our teachers, our old seniors and juniors, attending the sports day, eating the food in the dining hall, staying in the dorms, late night chit-chatting with our friends. It all feels so nostalgic, and some places stay in your heart forever, and Vantage is that place for me. It's my home and it will always be.
I joined the school in 2019,
and I was here for 6 years and I graduated in 2025, and it's really good to be back, reconnecting with my friends and seniors. It just brings back a lot of memories, and it was also really good to see my house, Griffin, win for the 4th time.
Once a Falcon, always a Falcon. Love you, Vantage. Hooray! Hip hip, hooray!